Good evening, Han. How's your assignment? You have a homework, right? Yes. Are you done with your homework? You're done? Homework. You did not answer? Okay, open your workbook. Page 93. You forgot to answer your homework? Okay, answer it now. Workbook, page 93. I'll share my screen. Oops. Homework, page 93. This is page 93. Okay, I'll give you a minute to answer, okay? Tell me if you're done. Go. Where's your where's your workbook? You have a workbook?
Yes.
Where? Where's your workbook? Find it. You can find it.
Kaya mama.
Okay. I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. My love ako sa'yo, kalaki pag-ibig mo kay tunay. Pero di nagtagal. Ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmatas at lagi namimintas. You found it?
Yes.
Okay. Take your time to answer page 93, letter D. Okay, you need to circle page
You,
93.
you sing very well.
Oh, you heard me? Okay, open your book to page 93, letter D. Yes, that one. So you need to circle the incorrect words and you write the correct words. Okay, just like the example. In the sentence is, I reuse plastic bags. I want to throw the trash I make. So the incorrect word here is the word throw. And the correct word is reduce. So you write it here in the blank. Okay, I give you a minute. Take your time to answer. Okay? Just tell me if you're done. Go. Answer in your book. Tell me if you're done answering everything, okay? Are you answering?
Yes.
Okay, go. Are you done?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. What's your answer for number two? Before that, please read number two.
The farmer plants vegetables on his landfill.
Yes. Hot. Okay, so what is the incorrect word?
Landfill.
Landfill. Okay, so we will encircle landfill. So what is the correct answer?
Land.
Very good. It's land. Check.
It isn't.
Check.
It
Go.
isn't. It isn't healthy to breathe air with steam in it.
What is the incorrect
Isn't.
word? What?
Isn't.
Isn't? What do you think is the correct answer?
Is.
What?
Is.
Is? It is
Yes.
healthy. You need to choose words from the words we discuss. Okay? From this one. Okay? You find the incorrect word and um you will write the correct word. So the correct words is from the words in here. Okay, just like this one, landfill. So landfill is wrong. The correct is land. You just find the word here, the correct answer. Oops, here. It isn't healthy to breathe air with steam in it. What do you think is the answer? Isn't is not
Steam.
the what?
Steam.
Yes, very good. It's the steam. And what do you think is the correct word?
Mm,
It's not good to breathe air with what? Air with resources? With wood?
Smoke.
Yes. It's the smoke. Good
Smoke.
job. Yes. So it's not good to breathe air with smoke because uh, because smoke can make us sick. Okay, good job. How about number 4?
We get pasta from trees.
Ooh. What do you think?
Trees.
Chris, what is the correct answer? You choose from here. We get pasta from trees.
Um,
We get pasta from trees.
from
Are you sure that trees is the incorrect word?
now.
Now you're not. Okay, what do you think is the incorrect word?
Get
Get
pasta.
pasta? Okay, I'll help you. So the incorrect word here is the word pasta. Okay? We get pasta from trees. So pasta is the incorrect word. So what do you think is the thing that we can get from trees?
um,
Can we get land from trees? Can we get sunlight?
resources.
Resources from trees? We get resources?
Sunlight.
Sunlight? Okay, okay. We can how about the wood? What do you think? Where is the wood comes from? Where is the wood comes from?
Trees.
Yes, it's from the trees. So, the correct answer here is wood. We get wood from trees. Okay? Okay, how about number 5?
Water, trees, air, and land are landfills.
What do you think is the what do you think is the incorrect word?
Landfills.
Landfills. And what is the correct answer?
Resources.
Very good. It's resources. Good job. Okay, so yes, what's that? You have a lot of cute stuff, huh? So again, water, trees, air, and land are
Resources.
resources. Yes. Number 6.
Smoke and trash are good for natural resources.
Oh, it's good for the natural resources. What do you think is the answer?
Resources.
Resources, and what should be the correct word?
Landfill.
Smoke and trash are good for the landfills. Oh, what should people do to help the natural resources? From here, we should get the answer from here. The people can do to help the natural resources. Okay. I'll tell you the incorrect word and tell me the correct words, okay? So the incorrect words here are smoke and trash. Okay? Because it's so bad for the natural resources. Smoke and trash are good for natural resources. So the incorrect words are smoke and trash. So what do you think is the correct words to put here? What?
Landfill.
What should we change with smoke and trash? We will um smoke
Re-
and
reuse.
very good. Reuse and
Reuse and and
reuse is one of the answer because it helps the natural resources. When you reuse things, we can less the garbages and the trash. So what else? Re-
um
reuse and what can people do to help the natural resources? Okay, okay, I help you. So the answer is reduce and reuse. Okay, it's reduce and reuse. It's good for the natural resources because it helps reduce and reuse, helps to lessen the trash. Okay? So, okay. Um memorize all of this stuff because after we read, we will answer it again later, okay? And if we answer it later, let's make sure to answer everything perfectly. Okay? Let's go. Okay. So, okay, let's have a review. Last time, read about. This is the title of the text. This is natural.
natural.
Yes, this is what we read last time. So we also discussed that living things need clean air and to breathe and clean water to drink. So we also discussed that the paper and houses are from the trees. Okay. So now we will continue reading and we will move on to hurting our natural resources. Okay, can you please read?
Mm, hurting our natural resources.
Yes, hurting. Do you know what hurting means? Do you know
No.
what hurt means? Hurt means what can how can I explain this? Hurt like you are in pain. Try to pinch yourself.
Mm.
Try to pace yourself, Han. Then you will, okay. You will get, okay, I will translate it. English to Vietnamese. Hurt is pain. Okay, 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 okay. Hurt.
Hurt. Đau. Tổn thương.
You understand? Yes. So hurt is something that uh, the you got hurt, you have you feel pain, there's a damage that is what hurt means. Okay? You
Mm.
understand now? So, the text that we will be reading, it talks about hurting our natural resources. So, when we say natural resources, what is this again? Do you know what natural resources?
Mm.
So, natural resources is the air, the water, okay? Air, water,
Breathe.
yes, yes, air to breathe, water, food, that's all of that is our natural resources, okay? And also sunlight, air, water, sunlight. Oof. I'm just writing with through my mouth, so it looks ugly. So yes, so when we say hurting our natural resources, it means um damaging the air, the water, and the sunlight. Okay, so that is our topic all about. So please read.
We shouldn't hurt our natural resources because we can't usually make more of them. Smoke from cars
Oops.
and
Slowly, just slowly. Understand what you are reading, okay?
smoke from cars and factories make
Makes.
the air dirty.
Okay, stop first. So, do you have a car? Do you have a car?
I don't have car because um, but my dad have a car.
Okay, it's your car too. Okay, so the cars and the factories produce a smoke, right? Black smoke, and it makes our air dirty. Okay, continue.
If the air is dirty, people can get sick and plants can't grow. If we cut down
Cat,
trees,
miss. Cat.
we should plant new ones.
Okay. So if the air is dirty, so people will be sick and plants cannot grow because the food of the plants is also the the air. So if the air is dirty, the plants will not grow. So uh it also says here that if we cut down trees, we need to plant new ones. Okay? Okay. Next.
Trash is very bad for our natural resources. Sometimes people throw trash into water, but we can't drink dirty water, and plants can't grow near it.
Okay. So trash is hurting the natural resources. Okay, first, okay, smoke. Smoke is hurt Excuse me. So smoke is hurting the natural resources, and the trash is also hurting the natural resources because um trash can make the water dirty. And if the water is dirty, the plants can't grow near it. Okay, next.
Um, trash goes to places, car landfill, and it stays there forever. Some landfills are dirty and they smell bad. People can't use that land, and farmers can't grow food on it.
Yes. So, where do trash go? Han?
To place called landfills.
Yes. So all the trash in our neighborhood will go to the landfill. That is where the trash will be living forever. So of course, because landfills are full of trash and garbage, it smells do it smell good or bad?
Bad.
Bad because it's dirty. It has a lot of trash. And plants can grow in the landfill. Okay. Now let's go to, please read the title.
Resources.
Resources. Yes. Please read.
Taking care of our natural resources.
Taking care of our natural resources. Please read.
We can all take care of the earth. Resources. Here are some ideas.
Resources.
Resources. Here are some ideas.
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 Okay. Number one.
Use things you until you can't use them anymore.
So what does it mean, Han? Use things until you can't use them anymore.
Um,
Use things until you can't use them anymore. What does it mean, Han?
mm, mm,
Okay, so it
mm.
just simply means that we shouldn't throw something just fast. If you can still use it, then use it. That's it. Just look at this one, this toy. Oh, look at the toys. This is full of bottles. Bottles. Also bottle here. And bottle the the cap. It is full of recycled material. So supposed to be it is already in the landfill because it's already in the trash. But it was used again because to take care of our natural resources, it is important not to make a lot of trash. Okay? So if things can be used, then use this as long as you can use them. Okay? Okay. Read the second.
Don't throw things away. Reuse them. Refill plastic.
Plastic.
Drink bottles. Make toys from old things.
Yeah, so like what I said, don't throw things away. So if it can be used, then still use it, okay? reuse them. So if you have a bottle of water, you can make it a toy, or you can put a water, refill a water on it. Okay, next is
Reduce the natural resources you use. Take our own back
take
to
your
take your own back to the
own
story
store.
stores.
Okay, so we can reduce the use of natural resources. For example, if we go to the grocery, instead of using plastics, we use bags. So that is how we reduce it, okay? Okay. Okay. So, Han, what do you think is
I have a dog.
you have a dog? I thought it was a real dog. It's an eraser.
Yes.
Okay, Han, in here, in what we read, what is the main idea?
Mm, we can all take care of the earth resources. Here
Okay,
are
only stop resources only until here. We can all take care of the earth's resources. So that is the main idea. So, can you give me one detail? Give me a detail, Han.
what detail?
Han, give me one detail. So our main idea is we can all take care of the earth's resources. So what is, give me one detail.
What detail?
We discussed about detail last time. So details are the sentences that supports the main idea. Just like what we did this one. Like here, we read this. So our main idea is this one. Rules in park help to keep them clean and the animals safe. And our details are this. These are the details. Okay. So when we say details, it talks us more about the main idea. So, what do you think is the detail? Give me one.
Hmm.
What's that?
Paper.
A paper? That's your answer? Okay, paper is from the tree. Okay. I'll help you. The main idea, of course, is the first sentence of the text. So, we can all take care of the earth's resources. So, our details are number one, use things until you can't use them anymore. Number two, don't throw things away. Reuse them. Refill plastic drink bottles. Make toys from old things. And number three, reduce the natural resources you use. Take your own bag to store. So these are the um the details. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let me see if okay. Okay, let's answer this first. What do you like about the text? Check. Why? Give one reason. Okay. For number 1, can you please read?
Different natural resources.
Yes, different natural resources. Are you super happy? Happy or not happy?
Happy.
Happy. Happy or super I happy. I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Happy. So natural resources we have different natural resources. What are those? Can you give me natural resources, Han? Can you give me natural resources? Water. What are the others? Natural resources. This. This air, sunlight, water, wood, and land. So these are
Wood. Wood.
okay. Make a quick memorize it quick. Air, sunlight, water, wood, and land. Oh, it's a wood.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so what are the natural resources? Give me 2 natural resources. Just tell me. You don't need to show me. Just tell me. Do you want to show me? Natural resources, air. What else?
Water.
Water,
Sunlight.
sunlight.
Breeze.
The air, we breathe the air. We need the wood. You showed me. The wood,
Sunlight.
the sunlight, the water, the land. It's all the natural resources. Okay, let's go to number 2.
Why we need natural resources?
Yes. Are you super happy? Happy or not happy? Happy, happy. Okay. Because it is natural resources are so important for us. We need it because we need water to drink, we need air to breathe. So without those, we cannot live. Number 3.
How we hurt natural resources?
Ooh, how we hurt natural resources. So we discussed this earlier. Smoke can hurt the natural resources. The trash can hurt the natural resources because trash and smoke can make the air and our surroundings dirty. So, are you super happy? Happy or not happy? What again?
Hmm,
That's right.
not happy.
Yes, not happy. Because it's not good to hurt natural resources. Very good. And how about number 4?
How we can take care of natural resources?
Yes, a while ago we read about this one. Oh, look, this one. So we are taught how to take care of our natural resources. So we are taught to reuse things and reduce our trash. So, are you super happy? Happy or not happy? Happy or super happy? Happy. So
Happy.
it is important to take good care of our natural resources. Okay, please read.
What's your favorite part? How I can reuse things and can help the earth.
Yes. So now let's answer this. Look back at the paragraph. People need natural resources. And answer the question. So now the question is, what is the main idea? What again? People need natural resources. Where is it? This one. People need natural resources. From here, what is the main idea?
Paper.
Main idea. You remember the main idea? The main idea is what the text all about. It is the topic of the text and can be seen in the first sentence of a text. So, what do you think is the main idea?
Mm, Sunlight.
You're not listening to me? Again, main idea. This is the main idea. Okay? Main idea is the what the text is about. It's the topic of the text. And Han, listen to me. Listen to me. Main idea can be seen in the first sentence. Okay? First sentence of the text. That is the main idea. Okay, so from here, what is the main idea, Han? The first sentence. This one. Okay.
Living things need clean air to breathe and clean water to drink.
Yeah, so that is our main idea. And main idea is the first sentence in the text. Okay? Okay, so now we will be answering this. Circle true or false. For false statements, circle the incorrect word, then write the correct word. Ooh. So we will be answering true or false. Han. Okay. Okay. Try to answer number 1. This is a bonus question. Please read.
Water is important because non-living things need it to live and grow.
Ooh, so it is false.
Yeah.
Because the one who needs water is the living things and not non-living. So we will encircle the correct word and write the correct answer. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go to number 2. Can you please read?
A lot of the water we drink comes from the ground.
A lot of the water we drink comes from the ground. Is it true?
The ground.
Is it true or false?
Goes.
What do you think is the correct answer?
Um. The house.
You're so cute, Han. Actually, Han, the water really comes from the ground. Yes, water comes from the ground. It's from the mountain. It's from the ground. In the deep, in below the ground, we can get water from it. So actually, number two is true. Okay.
True.
How about number 3?
Dirty air means dirty water.
Dirty air means dirty water.
Two.
True. How about number 4?
Trash is good for fish. False.
False. Right. Why? What should we change here? What do you think is the incorrect answer? Incorrect word.
Trash.
Trash is good. Trash? What do you think is the correct word here?
Don't know.
You need to find the incorrect word. Is
Mm,
trash good for fish? If the trash is in the
Fish.
water, in the
Fish.
if trash is in the water, if it is in the sea, is it good for the fish to swim with the trash? Not right. So the incorrect word here is good. What should we change with good? Trash is
Not good.
not good or what?
Or bad.
Very good. It's bad. Okay. Okay. So next, can you please read number 5?
Fish put all oil in the water. This makes the water dangerous. Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Fish put oil in the water. This makes the water dangerous. What do you think is the correct answer?
Mm, true.
True? Why true?
Because fish put oil in the water.
Hmm. Actually, I'm confused with this. Okay, let's just skip this, okay? We will answer this again next time. How about number 6?
People should use a lot of water every day.
People should use a lot of water every day.
True.
True? Why true?
Because because
Because
mm,
people should use a lot of water every day. This can be positive and this can also be negative. But what do you think, Han, for you? This is true for you. Why? Why?
I don't know.
Okay, I will just support your. Okay, for me, the answer here is false. Why? Because it is important to use, like what we read a while ago. We need to reduce the natural resources that we use. So, as much as possible, we use less water. Okay, number 7.
When people and animals drink dirty water, they can get sick.
Is it true? When people and animals drink dirty water, they can get sick.
False.
False? Why false?
Because people and animals not get sick.
When people, you, for example, you drink dirty. Do you know what dirty means?
Dirty, not,
Yes,
not.
not clean.
Yes.
Yes. When people and animals drink not clean water, they will get sick, right? If we drink dirty water, we get sick. So this is true. Okay, let's go back to what we answered. Oops, okay. Oh,
Oh.
oops. Okay, I will erase the um I will erase what we answered and we will answer this again to know if you truly understand our lesson. Okay, wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's answer this again. Okay, so circle the incorrect words, write the correct words. Okay, let's go to number 2.
Landfill.
Please read first.
The farmer plants vegetables on his landfill.
So, the incorrect word is
Land.
landfill. And the
Fill.
correct word here is
Land.
yes, it's land. How about number 3?
Steam.
Read first.
It isn't healthy to breathe air with steam in it.
So the answer, the incorrect word is steam, and the correct word is
Reduce.
ooh. It isn't healthy to breathe. Okay, focus on the breathe air. Okay, it's bad if we breathe something. What is it that it's hurting the natural resources? You forgot
Landfill.
something that it's not good to breathe.
Trash.
It's not breathe. We can breathe trash. Breathe. It's not good if we breathe this. Okay. Choose from here. It's not good to breathe this.
Smoke.
Yes, it's the smoke. Good job. Number 4.
We get pasta from trees. Wood.
What is the incorrect word?
Wood.
What should we encircle here?
Pasta.
Yes, it's a pasta. And the correct answer, the correct word is
Wood.
wood. Yes. Let's go to number 5.
Water, trees, air, and land are landfills.
What's the incorrect word? It's the you answered it.
Resources.
Yes, the answer is resources. What is the incorrect word?
Landfills.
Yes, landfills is the incorrect word. And the correct word is resources. Okay, what about number 6?
Smoke and trash are good for their natural resources.
What's the incorrect word?
Good.
Good?
Resources.
You forgot. Smoke and trash are good for the natural resources.
Resources.
The incorrect, okay, I'll tell you. The incorrect word is smoke and trash.
Good.
Oops. Smoke and trash is the incorrect word. What is the correct word?
Reduce and reuse.
Very good. It's reduce and reuse. Okay, good job. Okay, let's go back to the book. Okay, before we will end our class, because we're almost done, let's watch this video first.
And sing along. The tree.
Behind the house there is a tree. It grows peaches just for me. Between the flowers there's a bee. It flies around in front of me. Across from me the eagles fly above the ground into the sky.
Oh, we're done. Okay, so we are done with our class. We will discuss the other topic next time around. Okay, so that's for tonight. See you next week, Han. Selfie. Smile. Another one. Okay, goodbye, Han. Bye bye.
Teacher.